Hi listeners, welcome back to Kokajin channel, learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today we're going to study some vocabularies. Let's start the lesson now. Need to.
Perlu.
I need to buy some clothes.
Saya perlu membeli beberapa pakaian.
She needs to buy a new dress.
Dia perlu membeli baju baru.
We needed to know what the price of the electric iron was.
Kami perlu tahu berapa harga setrika listrik itu.
Fit.
Pas. Cocok.
This shirt doesn't fit me.
Baju ini tidak cocok untukku.
This dress fits me very well.
Gaun ini sangat cocok untukku.
That suit fit me last year.
Jas itu pas di saya tahun lalu.
Will this pair of shoes fit you?
Apakah sepasang sepatu ini pas di kamu?
Wear.
Memakai.
What size shoes do you wear?
Berapa ukuran sepatu yang kamu pakai?
She wears silk dresses.
Dia memakai gaun sutra.
What are you wearing?
Apa yang kamu pakai?
Be made of.
Terbuat dari.
This dress is made of silk, isn't it?
Gaun ini terbuat dari sutra, bukan?
Last year I had a dress that was made of silk.
Tahun lalu saya memiliki gaun yang terbuat dari sutra.
I'm going to buy a wallet made of leather.
Saya akan membeli dompet yang terbuat dari kulit.
Try on.
Mencoba.
I'd like to try on this sweater.
Saya ingin mencoba sweater ini.
I tried on a new suit yesterday.
Saya mencoba setelan baru kemarin.
She's trying on the dress now.
Dia sedang mencoba gaun itu sekarang.
Would you like to try it on?
Apa Anda mau mencobanya?
Be interested in.
Tertarik.
I'm interested in buying a new car.
Saya tertarik untuk membeli mobil baru.
She's interested in buying a new sweater.
Dia tertarik untuk membeli sweater baru.
Are you interested in taking a trip to California?
Apakah Anda tertarik untuk melakukan perjalanan ke California?
Cost.
Berharga.
That leather wallet costs too much.
Dompet kulit itu harganya terlalu mahal.
I bought a rug that cost $40.
Saya membeli permadani seharga $40.
How much does this cost?
Berapakah harganya ini?
Find.
Menemukan.
The clerk helped me find what I wanted.
Petugas membantu saya menemukan apa yang saya inginkan.
I found this book yesterday.
Saya menemukan buku ini kemarin.
Where did you find this beautiful leather wallet?
Di mana kamu menemukan dompet kulit yang indah ini?
That's the end of the lesson. Please be kind enough as to subscribe, like and share this link to others. Thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.